Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Chandra Awesome. In this today's video, I'm going to show you about how to design, not how to design, how to make an assembly of these robo hand mechanism. Well, I actually shown you the videos of my designs that I have used the super robot from the cartoon with this animation, but I haven't teach you about how I achieved this fingers moving animation, just like fish. Okay, in this today's video, I will show you it is a pretty easy, not simple, but for her making it a huge like this hand, it's pretty hard. Okay, so let me, as currently I do not have the access to this documents because of my previous education version. Okay, so I just need to download the parts. So let me show you how to make the assembly or the finger movement here. Okay. I'm just going to switch to cast trigger. So well, I already have the two hands, but I only need one finger animation to show you how to do that. So I just need only these parts. Let me hide them. Maybe I should get for the amount. Okay, so this one, and I don't know. Well, I should have forgot. These are separate box. Okay, got it. So I just selecting these only parts and going to export them. Can name it Robotics. Okay. This. So I'm just exporting. Uh, I will get a notification. Okay, it's already downloaded. I'm just going to create a new document here, right? Self, a quick. Okay, the part studio has loaded the document. So click on plus icon, we can import. I'm just going to encode the parts so it itself into the document. You can't import. So once imported, the new part studio would be created like this with the imported parts. Okay. So I have the parts already and they are separated as well. So I'm going to switch to the assembly directly. Click insert and insert every part here. So let me show you how to do that. So we have and two, three, four, five, six parts. Okay, let's fix this part to this origin. Okay, it should be fixed. Let's select one of the side. Okay, now it is fixed. Now I'm going to connect every part using Revit Mate. Here. Okay, select Revit Mate. Select the center and select its center. Do the same thing for every part and make sure the center part we can line. So as I'm using the existing parts, which is why I already have these, but if you want, you can create your own hand and achieve the same animation yourself by fixing the each part. Okay. doing everything faster because the approach is same for every part. So well, actually, not every part it should be revolved. It should be revolved, and it should be fixed. So I'm going to choose first animate here. Okay. So let me fix this one because I don't need it. I'm not going to move anywhere because it's only a movie. So I'm going to do the same for this one as well. Edit and make it first and it fix. So right thing we have to only do is adding the gears the use relation to each of the variables. So let's start with the prelude 1, 2, and prelude 3. So it should be one value, and so if you really animate prelude 1, they should know correspondingly. Okay, and yes, do the same thing for prelude 3 to prelude 5. So yeah, now it is good. Let's animate one thing. Okay, everything is perfect. And we have to add one more relation to one and to the last one because everything needs to be moved correspondingly. So in order to achieve the correct animation, we need to give the values here, but is like limits. For example, here it should not know more than this. Okay, when it is moving up, it is moving in the right. The fingers are moving down, so we need to change the need direction. Now let's see now. They are not moving. I think we need to show, and we need to change this as well. Then now everything works good. Okay, they're not moving. Let's animate. Oh, let's animate. Okay, we need to change the value. How could that go? But we have to maintain the value. It should be, let's keep it 30 degrees here itself. So when it is about to complete 30 degrees, the finger will fold completely. So it is not moving. It's not moving. I think we need to give 60 degrees then. And let's start with 30 degrees. By maintaining the limit as well it actually works. Let's keep it 0 to trace with passive property. And if you observe the animation correctly, the finger will move up. Okay. Okay. Now just change the orientation. This is the actual finger move. Sorry, it was reverse. So if you see here, the finger is moving correctly. So it is folding inside with each of the joint moving corresponding. Okay. So this is how you can achieve the animation. If you'd like, if you want, I'm going to pin this document in our video description. You can find it and uh, play with it if you want. Okay. That's all for video. I hope you will like the simple animation assembly technique here. How to achieve the animation in Onshape CAD software. If you do like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And helps me a lot to get more videos and techniques to you. Thank you.